Hi, welcome to Triple C, Candice's College Cooking. I'm Candice Sherman, and I'm on a mission to teach you, the 20-something college crowd, how to impress your friends or even a date by cooking for them while sticking to a budget. I'll teach you the basics, hacks, where to buy ingredients, and easy ways to create restaurant-worthy dishes. Look, I've been in your shoes. When I left home to attend Texas A&M, it was my first time living away from my parents. And this is likely for you the first time you're living away from your parents and siblings as well. Now you have to feed yourself and live on a budget. I know this can be challenging. My goal is to make it easier for you. For many years as a tech sales leader, my only creative outlet was cooking. Now I get to leverage that creativity to inspire you to experiment with new ingredients and possibly cook for the first time. Think of cooking as a blank canvas. Try new things, create new combinations, and think outside the box. Consider my instructions and recipes as jumping off points. My husband Todd and mom Sharon always follow a recipe to the T the first and second time they make something. I, on the other hand, think of cooking as a big grab bag. If I don't have X, I'll try Y. If I'm not eating carbs, I'll substitute carb-friendly items. Find spices you like. You can find my favorites on my Spice Island episode. And use those spices in whatever you're making. You'll be happier in the end. And finally, have fun. We all have to eat. You might as well enjoy what you make. Remember, to share a meal is to share a life. More on that and how cooking can improve your dating life in a future episode. I hope you'll join me.